All right, so now you see where we're at now. Bam. More kosher salt. And then, sorry, Harry, we're going to retire Harry. Oh, no, please don't retire me. Use this baby right here. Look at this. Look at this. Lean in. Oh, yeah. Still got a little bit. Get the sides. All right, so now just got a little bit left. Go ahead and turn this water off so you can hear this real nice. A little bit more. A little more kosher salt. And then just scrub her down like a soap. Okay. Now, rinse her off. Look at that. A little piece right here. Uh-oh. Oh no. All right, guys. All right, well, I guess maybe you shouldn't do that. All right.